So yeah, hi everyone. My name is Kevin. I'm a student in Vancouver. Currently, I'm majoring in computer science in Simon Fraser University. Yeah, nice to meet you all. And today, I'm going to show you guys like a tutorial on how to make the jobs application design. So basically, it's an application about job searching. So if people want to search for a job or like people searching for internship like me, they can go to this application and yeah, search for a job there. It's pretty simple. It's not complicated at all. But yeah, this is what are we going to make. It's called jobs.io app. Get this one. It looks pretty complicated. You can see this jobs.io and everything. It looks pretty complicated. But don't worry, guys. I'm going to show you guys like the tutorial step by step, and yeah, I'm going to talk like pretty slow so you guys can really understand like what's going on. Well, trust me, guys, it looks pretty complicated, but yeah, it's not that hard. It's pretty simple, but it takes time. And once you get used to it, you can design anything. All right, here we go. Uh, let me share screen for a second. Where's the okay, here it is. Okay, looks good. So we're going to so basically we're going to create like a new file, new design file like this one. All right, it looks good in here. Okay, so it's about jobs.io. Don't forget to change this one. This is very important. Jobs.io, jobs.io prototype. Right. First of all, we have to add the first step in doing the design, we have to looking for reference. Obviously, reference is very important. So if you guys want to build like an application, like for example, you want to build job search application, we don't know what are we going to design, like how can we design it? We have to search for inspiration first. It's common, it's okay, guys. It- So we can go to here. There's a website called Rebel, and you can search in here, like for example, like jobs application, job searching application. There's a lot of inspiration in here. You can take it like here, like you can screenshot it. You can screenshot it and don't forget to give like. It's very important to them and something like that. There's a lot of inspiration here. There's a lot of them. So you guys can pick one of the best for you guys. Yep. And let's just get straight into it. First of all, we're going to create a pages called reference. This is for our inspiration. Just get the frame first and then try to put all the screenshot that you had for the inspiration, put it in here. Like the one that I have. For example, um I want to use this one, okay? For example, just going to screenshot this and put in here. Something like that. Yep. So every time you make something and you are confused, you can go back to the reference pages and look for the inspiration. It's pretty easy. And for my case, I already had a reference in here. So it's going to be like so it's going to be like this. Yep. This is all my reference. Something like this. If it's for your own design, for your own practice, it doesn't have to be like really tidy and everything. It's just for your practice. But in the real life work, make it as tidy as possible because you're gonna work in a team, right? So if you make it as clean as possible, then everyone can really understand like what is going on with you. Yep, this is for just save it as like reference. That this all of my reference. This is all I get it from Dribble, the website that I told you before. And after the inspiration for the design, the next step is to um look for color. Like what color are you going to use for your design? There's a lot of uh website that you can use, but the one that I really use is Color Hunt, something like this. This Color Hunt website is pretty popular among the designer or developer because they have all the combination that you can use, and they have the hex number as well, so it's pretty simple, pretty easy. And for my, I already have my color inspiration. It's gonna be like this. Yep, we're going to use Satoshi font, and the color is like this. And the last one, and I think yeah, that's it. And the last one, if you guys want a font, just type Google font website, Google font. And in this case, we want to use Satoshi. So try to search Satoshi in here. If they don't have it, it's okay. You can type search Satoshi font download. And you can download from any website. Try it one by one. Try to download it and implement it in your Figma. You can search it on the internet or like YouTube on how to do it. It's pretty simple, not that hard at all. Put in here color inspiration. All right, looks good. The reference is there, inspiration is there, and the color is there. Okay, I think that's it for now. Like, let's make the mood board. I'm going to create a frame for it is application, right? So I'm just going to use it for phone. And let's use iPhone 14 Pro, the newest one. Yep, something like this. And okay, so every app have their own opening. So mine is pretty simple. You just have to use jobs.io, and make it bold for like 64. Make it bold and do for like 64. Don't forget to use Satoshi. Yep, looks very good. And then don't forget to center it. And done. It's pretty simple, right? It's pretty easy. And for the color, let's use 232323. All right. Let's look at first. Okay, looks professional. Looks amazing. Just only one text on inside the app can change the whole change the whole creativity the creativity on your app. Yeah. So it looks pretty good. And don't forget to name it. The opening. Opening. Sorry, oh my god. Opening. Done. And we just have to copy paste it. And right now we're going to make the sign up pages. At the bottom. Sign up pages. All right. So we're going to make this in the top. And just like I use small font because there's a lot of things that are going on. Make it bold, make it 32. Put it in the top. In the top like this. Yep. And some text. Some text. What's the good text? It's usually there's a UI and UX, right? In terms of like word, like find your dream jobs. Find your dream jobs. Oh, dream jobs only on jobs.io. Usually it's the one that the one that do this the thing about like all the words and everything is usually the UX work. So if you guys are UI designer and everything, you don't really have to worry about this. but usually people people work in the tech world as a UI UX designer, so they have to think about the UI and the UX as well. Only on jobs.io. Okay, looking good. And we're gonna set this to be a regular 24. Regular 24. Yep, looks pretty good. And but don't forget to change the color. It's pretty important. 32323. Yep, and make it center the page. You can change the alignment here as well. And I'm going to use um auto frame a lot of in this kind of tutorial. If you are used to this, you can search on YouTube or Google how to use like auto frame. It's really important. It it is quite complex at the first time, and you just have to get used to it. If you get used to it, like me, you're going to get addicted because it's really easy, it's really convenient, it's efficient, and it makes it easier for the developer. It makes it easier for a designer to design. Yeah, frame like this. If you are already framing, there's going to be icon like this. It says that you're frame. I'm going to put it on the edge. Yep, and make it to the top, like 90 from the top, I think. I'm sorry. Maybe from the top is 90, probably. Yep, looks pretty good to me. And then um for the bottom, I'll guess 40 is enough. 40, and we do 40 from the right and left side. Yeah. Find your dream jobs. So if you guys are like me, like you guys worry, is it looking good or not? Try to play it, and if it looks good, then it's fine. If there's something that you want to change, just change. But every time you make an improvement or like making changes, don't forget to play it because it makes you know where's the problem. Yeah, something like that. And for this one, we're going to put an image in here. Every time I want to look for an image, I'll usually go to undraw.co illustration because there's a lot of illustration in here. It make it prettier for it make it prettier, and yeah, it's going to be a lot easier for the user as well. I want to use this. This is the one that I'm going to use and make it this maybe. Is it let me think about this. Is it too I don't think so. Looks pretty good to me. Not like this, bro. Can put it a little bit bottom. Let's put 30. Yeah. Yep. Looks good to me. And then we're going to have the sign up page. Usually in the sign up page, you guys have okay. In the sign up page, usually you guys have the username and the password, right? So we're going to use that username and username and password. Right? Type username in here and create the box. And create the box as well. This time it's going to be we're going to erase the fill and make it the border, make it only the border. Let's put it 80%, so it's not going to All right, let's just put some border in here. Yep, looks good to me. And put it 10 maybe. Yeah, we can do that. Then type username in here. Username, but make it pretty small. Like we're going to use, it's going to be 16 only. Yep, and just put it in here to 23323 as well, and make it 80%. Right? Wait, maybe this one. Oh, nice. Looks pretty good. All right. Put it in the center, about 20, and put it 10 here. Okay, what do you guys think? I think this one is too big, right? This one is pretty big. It's 16. No, it's not the same. Yeah, let's make it 16. And make it into group. None. And put it like 10. Probably not. That's too far. Like 5. Okay, and then we're going to use auto frame for this one. Auto frame and for the right side password, just put 40 there. And then okay. Looks good to me. Let's put 40. And for the top, let's put 40 as well. I think this one is too big. Let's make it. Oh, right. That is too small. 30 is too small. Be 40, right? Yeah, just 40 is enough. %40. Okay, looking good to me. And probably it's too, just let's make it 2%. Right. Right, looks good to me. Let's make it this auto frame as well. Okay, let's make this fill container. Oh my god. All right, what do you guys think? I think this one should be 40. This one better. Okay, nice. So we're going to make it password for this one. Password. And then we're going to have this one as password as well. All right. It's okay. It doesn't look tidy right now, but later we are going to fix it later. And usually you guys have like text tick box in here, right? Tick box. Oh, let's make it better first. I'm going to use auto. Okay, nice one. It's usually a tick box like here, and you guys can tick, and we're going to make a text like this. By clicking this button, you agree to jobs.io terms of use, terms of use. Oh my god, of use and conditions. make it this a container. All right, looks good. I'm going to put this side by side. Not auto. 16 side by side. Oh, let's put it auto. And let's make the rectangle on the. This one is too big. Let's make it 2020. Right, and make it on the center. Not this way. Probably like this. Okay, looks good. But we should be able to click this, and when we click this rectangle shape, it's like a checklist button. So when you click it, there's a checklist. How can we do that? Um, we will make another page called component, and we're going to make this in here, and we're just going to and later we are going to import this as an asset to our bootboard. So we're going and we can use this for all of our project, or like this maybe, or probably like let's do 1616. Let's do 1616. And for this, let's make it 3. Okay. And let's create a frame from this. All right. Add another properties, add another variant. Okay, so basically when we click this, we want to be like let's put it like 222 and inside there's a check, like there's like a tick box, right? And you guys can import an icon like this in Iconify. Just search it like tick, and you guys can import it. I'm going to use white for this one. I found one icon and put it inside here. Oh, this one. All right, and make it smaller. Okay, it looks pretty good to me. And what do you guys think? It looks pretty good, right? And like make it stroke to H1 and okay, so whenever we click this, it's going to be like this. Let's see prototype. We're going to add interaction within this. All right, and smart animate. Let's do it 150. And we'll do this in here as well. Say one. All right, let's try it. Let's try it first. If you guys are not sure about something, try it in here. Put this in here first. All right. We're going to assets and import it here. All right. And let's delete this one. Let's see. I'm going to play this first. If we click this, but okay, nice one. All right, looks good, right? Okay, let's fix this first. Okay, this is not too tidy. Speaking here. Oh, this way. And let's put a margin here. Put like, oh, like 50 maybe. What do you guys think? Looks good to me. All right, put this in the condition. And maybe we are going to change this color to orange. Okay, and the last one is going to be the button. Refill container. All right. Let's make it 50 and make it some border. Yeah, let's do 7 in here and continue here. Right, and make it as a group in here. So continue can be inside the button. All right. And center it first. We're going to use this as a white and bold and 16. All right, center it again. And let's do what? Let's do orange color. This one. Okay, right now it's looking good. What do you guys think? This one is too compact, right? Let's just open here. Looks pretty fine to me. Yeah. Let's change new one. Let's change this one, not 15 but 10. Let's not do 40. Let's do 30. All right, looking good. Yeah, we're done. We've done our sign up page. And then next one, we're going to make info pages. So info pages is so basically it's so the user can pick whichever job they prefer to. So it's gonna make it easier for a database to know which preference that the user wants. Let's just copy and paste this one. Copy and paste. All right, let's make it info page right here. All right, delete this one. Tell us what kind of jobs are you looking for? Okay, it's too long. It's too big as well. Let's fix this. I'm going to use regular. Let's do 24. This 40%. Let's do 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, but make it 80%. Okay. And let's do auto frame. Let's do auto frame. Here. And make it fill container. But this one I'm going to use this time. Let's make it 90 from the top. It's 90, right? Okay, this is 40. So in design, make sure that you're always consistent with your layout. So it's not going to confuse your user. Let's make it 90 from the top, 50 50 okay, 50 from the bottom, and 40 from right and left side. All right, tell us what kind of jobs you are looking for. Okay. And this time we are going to use, my idea is just to have like a square shape, and square, like all over the place. And so the user can pick which one is it. All right. Let's do Squarespace first. So whenever the user click this one, it's going to change, and so it's gonna be like software engineering here. Give me software engineer here, and whenever the user picks software engineer, it's going to in here, and they're going to click it, and it gives notice to the database that user prefer to jobs like software engineer. That's my idea. You can change it if you want. Like it depends on your creativity. And let me tell you guys one thing, that every designer have their own preference style on how to design, on how to do the prototype, on how to do everything. And yeah, uh, there's no such thing as a wrong like way of designing, and there's like a right way of designing. Everything is the same. Like as long as you getting into your goals, that's the main point. Yeah, so it doesn't matter which style are you using, as long as the work is done, then that's it. Yeah. So we're going to use component because component is very easy. All right. For the maybe we can do 50-50. No, I think it's too small. Let's do 130. 130 and 130. Oh, sorry. Oh, it's a rectangle. Can you frame 130 and 130? And we're going to make it component as well. Component, make it another variant of it. All right, looks good to me. Make it let's do all white first. Then we're going, and then we're going to check later. Let's do white first, and let's do this in here. Probably like 10. All right, let's make it transparent first. Let's make it transparent first, and do a stroke. Do 831. So whenever we click this, it's going to change the color. It's going to change the color into, let's see, orange maybe? Yeah. And then there's this one as well in here. But not this one. I want to, oh, sorry. I'm going, maybe not this variant, but I want this to be variant 2. I forgot to give the border radius. Let's make it 10. And let's do the interaction. Smart image on 50. And just hard 50 as well. So let's check it. Yeah. We need to go to assets. So whenever we click this, it's going to change. Okay. There's a mistake in here. Okay. Let's fix this stuff. So if you're a designer or developer, both of you guys are going to have trouble. There's going to be a lot of bug when doing this stuff, and it's normal. Like most people think that only developer have bug, but that's not the case. I'm a developer as well, but I also design. The thing is, what I've experienced this for the last year, like both of designer and developer is hard. There is no such thing as developer is harder than designer, and designer is like easier than developer. It it all really depends on you and on yourself. I mean, like if you are a good being designer, then just be a designer. And if you like really like coding and making stuff and in code, just be a developer, you know? There's no such thing as it's easier to become designer than developer. No, because both of them have their own trouble, you know? So it's gonna be like 10 10, right? And here it's gonna be 10 10. There's no problem here. Just let's do this again. Oh, sorry. Oh, let's do this again. All right. In here as well. It looks pretty good now. On this one. Okay. It's pretty fine to me. And then yeah, let's go make this info page. We're just going to use auto frame. Auto frame. All right. So for the auto frame for this one, let's do 40 this side and probably 0 on the top. Oh, let's do 0 on the top and let's do 40 from the bottom. Let's do 40 from the bottom. All right. Let's make it another one. Oh, what happened? Oh yeah, I forget. Just give it like this. Auto. Nice one. Do hawk first. And I'm going to auto frame this one and just copy paste it all around. Right. And let's make it 30. Let's make it 30. What do you guys think? Or 40? Let's do 5 first. 3, 4, 5. Let's do let's do 40 instead. Yeah, it make it easier. The content. So you can see the bottom. All right. Maybe you guys can do this as well. Okay, so we're going to put all the illustration in here. I already prepared this before. This is my illustration that I've been downloaded from here. I'm sorry. Just say that you want to search for software engineer. Yep, there's a lot of things that you can download. Just click on here and download SVG, and you can change the color as well. This, yeah, it's pretty convenient. I really grateful for someone who make this kind of website. It makes us like designer or developer, make it easier for us to work, you know. So thank you guys, whoever make this one. I really appreciate what you guys doing. Shout out to you guys. And yeah, let's do this first. For the software engineer, this is the software engineer part. Make it in here. Let's put this into a group. Let's put this in here. No, let's push this. Let's put this into a group so it can go together. 30 on top. Is this okay? Let me just put some height on it. Let's do 60. All right, and just type software engineering here. Not in here, bro. In here, software engineer. And for the font, let's make it medium and tan. Medium, tan, and make it 4%. So it make it easier. So it makes it easier for the user to read, and give some padding on the top. Looks good to me. Let's try. While the text is in the bottom, put it in the top. Is it not working? Okay, right now it's working. Yay! It's working, guys. Okay, next to software engineer. Let's do accounting. Make it group. Do accounting as well. And what's this here? 30. Okay, let's do 30. 1, 2, 3 to 30. And let's the bottom first. Hit 80, and then oops. And make it as accounting. All right, looking good so far. Let's delete all of this stuff. And all right, now let's do backend developer. Yeah, we know that software engineer is also backend developer, but yeah. Okay, 80 as well. So let me tell you guys, like the hardest thing about being a designer is how can we design stuff, you know? How 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 can how can we make our applications is interesting to the user, but it's easy. So it's pretty much more convenient for the user to use. That's the most hardest part, you know? Sometimes you want our design to be like really complex. You want our design to be really cool. So it make it more interesting. Then I feel like you guys have like a wrong mindset, you know? Like you guys do the thing that you want to do as a designer. You wanted it to be like this one. You want it to be like that. But at the same time, you have to think about the user perspective as well. That's why we do testing after we design, you know. We have to consult our design to the customer as well. So that's the most because they are the one who are going to use our application, right? Not us. So you can do it like in the way that you want it to do, but just make sure that your design is your design is pretty useful. I mean like your design is pretty easy to use for the user as well, because they're the one who design because they're the one who use it in their everyday life. Yeah. So it's pretty awful. 18 here, but let's make it this one in the center. All right. And we can do this as education teacher. Sorry guys. You know, I don't know. I feel like if you are walking alone in front of your computer, like it's kind of weird sometimes. I'm not used to it, you know. It's really weird for me to like you're just talking to yourself in front of your camera. I'm not really used to it. That's why that's why I cannot really talk like like really fluently in front of a camera. I feel really awkward. But yeah, I will get used to it, I promise. This is only my second video, and I promise it will get better over time. This here, that's here. Is 6. Stick it in the center. And it's car mechanic. And for this, let's do project management. Project management. All right. And then we have, what do we have in here? Oops. Oh, the math teacher. And last one is this one. Oh, by the way, you guys don't have to follow me like the exact thing that I built. You can search for your own occupation like this one. This is going to be let's do QA engineer. QA engineer. All right, looks good to me. Let's just delete this one. And what's the size? 300,852. Let's make it 852 in here. All right, and then let's do some button in here. Oh my God. All right, we're going to fix this later. So let's go to this one. Hmm? Let's create a rectangle in here. All right, make sure it's going to be on. And here, I guess. Yep. Let's try to tidy things up first. Right. And make it. Let's set the height as 70 and put it on the bottom. And let's do this as this one and put continue in here. Continue. All right. Delete this one. Oh, make it as a group. All right, there's a continue there. Let's set the font as bold. And let's do 24 in here. All right. Continue with E. All right. Looks good to me. Let's try it first. Okay. Oh, we cannot start the problem. That's okay. We're going to use um so we're going to use scroll behavior, choose vertical scrolling, and just make sure this one is on top. Sure this one is on top. First. And let's see. Oh, it's not moving there. Why is it not moving? Still not moving. Okay. What's the problem? Should be okay, you know. There's a sign here. For scrolling to work on this frame, the content needs to be bigger than the frame. What does it mean? Oh! Oh yeah, I remember. I just have to make it frame. Where's the frame here though? Frame selection. Okay. And for the frame, let's do this here. And yes, let's do vertical scrolling. Should be working right now, please, guys. Still not working. That oh, shit. This is cool. Just say to scroll and use scroll it parent. Okay, looks good. I can scroll it, but it overflow this one. Let's just make it fill in here. That's white. All right. Okay, it looks it's working. You know, I told you guys there are going to be some trouble. You just have to think about it. Does it work in here as well? Yep. Okay. Okay, next one. After the info page, we have the intro page. Usually we have the intro page. Intro page. It's going to be pretty simple. Oops, let's not delete this one. I'm going to use it. Let's do jobs.io. And then put in here, track everything. Everything. Let's do some text in here. Your job's journey start here. We are here to help you tracking and handle every job 24/7. All right. All right. This is going to be our title in here. So let's do let's correct the font first. Gonna be bold 32 and make it 100% for this one. And for this one, let's do bold as well. Bold as well, but 24 is pretty good. And let's do medium one at 16. And for the color, it's gonna be like 222 and do and for this one, let's do 60%. And let's do regular. All right, do 2% probably, and make it real container. All right, does it look good? I think I'm going to separate this one with okay. Let's put some margin in here. Let's do 20. Make it here, here. Let's do 40. Oh, this is too compact. Let's make it 5. Make it 10%. Hmm, 70 maybe? Let's try. You're track everything. You're just here. All right, looks good to me. I have to make this one first. Let's do 2%. All right. Let's put the illustration as well. In my design, I use a lot of illustrations. That's my style, and I really like it. You can use image or anything. Doesn't matter. No. Let's do 90 in here. 1, 2, 3. 90 and make 3 dot. Um, let's make it 15, 15. This one is 15. And for this one is 15 as well. And make it full rounded. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Hmm, 15, 15. Let's do auto frame for all of this one. Let's put it on the center. Let's do 100 from here. All right. And let's differentiate this one. Let's make it the color to be orange. Right. And make it, and for the rest of them, erase the fill at the stroke, add it to be orange. Let's try it. Is it on the center? I don't think so. On the center. Yeah, it looks pretty good to me. Damn. Let's duplicate this one. Usually intro page have like 3 intro page. That's enough. Like 4 is too much. 2 is too small. So 3 is fine. IO. And make it more creative. Make it more creative, maybe we can, oh, not this one, not like this. We can go here and make the picture on the top. Yeah, we can do that. Let's put this to be let's change the illustration first. Okay, it's done. Let's get 60 from here. It's too much. Best way to find your dream job. Let's Okay, let's make it here first. Let's do countdown. Oh, it's too much. Let's do 40. Make it on the left. Let's do this. It's too much. Too small. Let's just 26 is fine for me. And make it 5%. Best way to find your dream job. Okay. With jobs.io, we provide various categories and quick access to, to the job you desires. 230. All right. How's it? Looks good, yeah. Oh, we forget to change this one. Let's add the filling. All right. And let's just delete these fields. Add the stroke to be right. Let's do intro 3 page. The intro 3 page is going to be the same thing as this one. Let's job search. Make it on the center. Get easy to search your perfect job with just a few taps. Searching your jobs become fast. All right, let's make it in the center as well. Let's do 100%. Then we're just going to trade this one. This one, I'm so lazy. All right. Um, let's look at first. Looks good to me. And then the second one. Yup. Yeah, yeah. And third one. Okay. Okay, what if the user want to skip it? Want to skip the intro? Let's make a skip button for all three. Yeah. Mm. Okay. Skip. Let's make it 13 probably. No, let's do small. Let's make it 16. And let's do fill container, but it's on the right side. Oh, it's to right. The fill container. We'll fix with. Let's do 40. And let me see. Not 40. Let's do 60. But I see. 60 is good. The skip button is pretty good. But this one is too, it's too large. Let's do 20 in here. Oh, okay, that's why. Let's do 30 for one of them. 40, 40, 40 is fine. Okay, it looks a little bit messy in here. Let me put it in the right side. See, let's put it in here, not auto, but 40. Yeah, looking pretty fine to me. For it instead. What do you guys think? Pretty good to me, alright? Okay, let's just implement this to all of it. Yeah, okay. Let's do the same thing here. Oh, in intro to rather than having like this kind of stuff. Let's make a continue button. Like like just a button. It's gonna be a button here. Oh my god. Let's make it orange. Right? And let's say continue. It's too much. What do we have in here? 24, okay. 24 in here. Let's enter it. All right, should be good. And then after they click continue, it's going to be on the main page, home page. Okay, we already done the intro page. Hey, congratulations, guys. And let's go to the home page. And for the home page, let's look at foreign inspiration. You know what? I like this design so much. You know, it's pretty colorful. It's really easy to use, and yeah, it's not that complex. It's easy, colorful, and I think everyone can use it. Let's use this one. Do hello, Kevin. And get the icon from let's get the icon from the Iconify. Hello. Oh, it's too much. Let's just put some emoji. Can we use it? Hi, emoji. Hey, and we have the hi emoji, and then we have probably we have the ring notification center or ring, not the wedding ring. Yeah. Um, this one is good. 831. All right, for it. And here, make it 30 and 30 or 32. And we're going to have this one right there. This is for the profile picture. Let's make it 60 and 60. 60 and 60. And make it rounded full. And use the image. And put mesh on it. Right, what do you guys think? It's pretty good, right? You just have to correct the font. Mm, let's do medium, 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 medium. Let's do 22 as well. 24, just 24 is pretty good to me. Let's do 24. One. It's too big. Put 32. Oh, we cannot change this one. Damn. Now let me import it from here. Just use emoji. We cannot use emoji. Last time I can. Oh, we can. Oh my god. Nice. Let's just put this in the auto frame first. And then this is auto frame. Let's do 20 beside of them. 15 is enough. Probably 15 is probably better. And then let's put in here. Make it good first. Let's do 60 from the top, 20 for the bottom, and let's do 30 for the right and the left. Oh, make it auto as well. Let's check it first. Okay, let's do up. Let's put more margin, 90. Okay. Oh, medium is good. Okay, so we're going to have box in here, like big box. Then we're going to have several box on the bottom. Yeah, let's do that. Let's create a box first. Make it auto frame. All right, like here, like here. Let's put 30 and let's put 20 on the top. Let's put 20 on the top and the bottom. Let's make it this one fill contain. Oh, I cannot fill. Oh, let's make it this one fill container. And hmm, to 150, I guess. 50% off. Pick any courses and join now. Oh, let's put this inside the rectangle. And just make it a little bit more shorter. Like probably like 100. No, wait. Probably like 100. Make it 40. No, make it 30. And just like join now. Join now. A bit. I'm going to fix it later, don't worry. Maybe it's in one group first and put it one group again. All right. Let's make this 24 and this one is gonna be 16, like a lot smaller. And then we have this one. Let's make it like yellow. It's too bright. What is this color? This color is nice. Um, oops. Colors F3 F3E2BE. Okay. That's one tips, guys. F3E2BE. F3E2BE. Should be similar. All right, looks pretty good. Then we do a little bit more radius in here, make it more fine. Let's do 20. Do 20 from the top as well. And oh, let's do 30 instead. And for this one, make it bigger. Do some more radius. And this one is way bigger. We all know that. Change this into regular and make it 14 probably. Yeah. Take any courses. Join now. Let's see first. The button is too long. Make it shorter. Like give it 80. And make it 25. And for the join now, let's do only 12. Let's make it on the center again. Oh. Mm, let's see. Hmm. Hmm. Looks good. Yeah, this will be fine. Or probably we don't have to set this into auto frame. Just ungroup them and probably make it 5 in here. Let's see. Yes, we can do that. And for the picture, let's use this picture. Nice, but it's getting too close. It's still too close. What do you guys think? Hmm. There's something wrong. Let me fix this first. Yum, yum, yum. It's too much. Let's drop this one a little bit. All right, what do you guys think? Looks pretty amazing to me. All right, done for the first one. There's something overlapping here. All right, then let's do this. Find your dream. Uh, find your dream job. Find your dream job. Let's do 20. Just 20 is enough. And make this a little bit more spacing. Then let's do 150 and 160. And give it a little bit border radius. Then create a circle inside. 235, 35. Let's make it white so you can see it and make it red full. Put it in the center. Let's give him some padding. 20, 20. Okay. Good. And probably we can let's make it 40, you know. Bigger is better, right? Let's make it 40. And the remote jobs. Remote jobs. 2222831. Let's do it in the center, not in here, not in the center of the square. Let's give this slider spacing for 4% probably. Right, more jobs. Then let's duplicate it. Oh, let's just set this as group first. Let's let we duplicate and the size. do 14, just 40 is fine. This one is too big. Let's do 40 as well in here. Do 5, and then let's do 5 in here as well, and make it right. 40 is too big, isn't it? Let's do 12. And let's give some number, like 48.3K, something like this. Let's duplicate this kind of stuff. Right. Um, Maybe this one is too big. Let's do 30 and 30. And make it the same as here. Oh, then say remote jobs. Say part-time. This one is for part-time section. Let's do 24.8K. And in here, let's do 76.3K. Make it center. This one is center as well. And give it let's see. This one is too small. But if I make it bigger, this one is too compact and it will not look good. Hmm. Hmm. Maybe make it 160 for both of them. 160 for both of them. And do 40 for all of them. Well, hmm. Okay, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Let's do full time. Should be the same as this one. And we give it margin for 10. We give it margin for 10 as well in here. Twenty. Oh, all right, let's see. Okay, looks pretty good. Looks opinion. Okay. Wait a second. No, this server always on. All right. Let's let's change the color first. What's this color? Check it. C3E4F2. Okay. C3E4F2. C3E4F2. All right. And for this one, it's gonna be DVD3VB. Wait, where is it? DFD3FB. And then last one, what do we have in here? D3EFC3. Okay. D3EFC3. Woo! I feel like we've done it. And then put it on the wireframe. Put it on this one. Let's do this one. Let's do this one. Let's do fill container. Let's make it auto. And let's how's this? Put it inside here maybe. Uh, let's do 30-30 for the padding right and bottom. And let's compact it to the top. Right, and then let's do padding. Let's do 20 if you want. Oh, sorry, my bad. Do 20. All right, the last part we have to add icon in here. So we just have some icon. You guys can import it for Iconify, but already have it. So I'm just going to copy paste it in here. Put it in the center. Right. Oh. All right, and then we have the last one. All right, should be good to go. Let us see it first. Yep, it looks sweet. Oh, let me stretch a little bit. Ah. Okay, so next one is I'm going to make like a list of what is the current popular jobs right now, and maybe I'm going to make it like this. This is the one that I most like. Yeah, we can make it like this. Do popular jobs. This Satoshi 20. Okay. Satoshi medium 20. And then we're going to move it. Put 20 in here. All right. Then we can make a rectangle. Mm, let's make it, oh, make it auto frame first. And 20, 30, 30 for this one. And then let's fill in the fill container. And then let's do here. All right. Let's create a stroke. Remove the fill. And let's make the stroke to be yellow. Like this one. And we just we don't copy paste this. Let's make the background for this to be like F9, F9, F9. Okay, we're doing great so far. Oh, let's do just white and change the color of this one to be 53A D A7 D3A D A7, right? D3A D A7, and going to change the logo to Apple logo. All right, looks good to me. And let's click here. Software or senior software engineer. Okay. That's two. It's the full time. And we have a dot. Let's just dot text copy and paste it here. Vancouver, Canada. Let's create. So this one is going to be medium and it's going to be like 16. And this one is going to be the regular one, but it's going to be 13. Okay, let's create one frame first. And this will be like 15 from here. right? Hmm. Let's make it bigger. Maybe. Oh, I mean not this one, but let's make it bigger. Like 100 maybe. Hmm. And let's do price estimation. It's gonna be like 20 to 25K per month, I guess. Do this one. And I think this one's gonna be right here, I guess. But this is too close. 20 to 25K per month. And make it bigger. Let's make it 15. It's about 8%. Oh, sorry. This one is about 8%. Yep, looks good to me. And then let's create a button. Right angle in here. Let's make it like this. And then make the color 2222831. 2222831. Huh? 800%. And apply. Get a little bit small. 12 probably. Yep. And don't forget to group this. Just to be on the bottom. Right. And let's do auto frame for this one. This one is to the bottom. Let's make it bigger. 35. Oh, too much. Okay, 30. 28 probably. That's it. It looks good to me. Yeah. Pretty nice, huh? We just have to do this. Okay, we done the first one. Maybe at the second one. Hmm. What are your next job? Maybe Web3 developer? Let's do Web3 developer, yeah. Here. Web3 developer. And let's do full-time Vancouver, Canada. It's about 8 to 10K per month. And let's do Amazon. Right? And let's change the color as well. Color is to be like this one, right? And then we're gonna change the color this one as well. You like this one? Looks good. Let's add another one. Let's make this um let's make it Google product designer. We give him 10 to 12K per month. And for the color, let's do the blue one then. Blue, right? And for the border as well. All right. So it should be done. Let's, hmm. Okay, we're going to make it framework so we can play with this. Let's check it first. Looks good to me. But we're going to make this one frame. So this is how we do it. We're going to put the popular jobs in here and put this inside in the bottom. All right. And then right now we're going to set this fill to be white. And then I'm going to make this a frame. And for the frame, we're going to set it as vertical scrolling. So let's check it. It can't work then. Content need to be bigger than the frame. Oh, oh, now it's working. Nice. Still go through. Let's put this one in the bottom one. And then it should be working right now. And let's create the navigation bar here. And what's the height for this? Let's make it 70. 70 should be fine, right? Let's make it 70. Make it 70, and we're gonna use this orange color. And you guys can search it on your own, but I already have it in here, so I'm going to use home. The home. Look, my group of this one. Then going next one is search. The next one should be profile. Right, let's make it all of these to be out of frame. The center one. Let's do this, um Let's do 50 from both the side. I'm gonna give this auto. All right, let's try to test it first. Okay. Um. Okay, here's the thing. Into its frame, we're going to make the frame to have. For the bottom, we're gonna use 20, I guess. Yep. Oh shit. Okay. Okay, let's make it. Oh, let's make this one white as well. Feel white. Let's try. Right, looks good to me. Okay, homepage is done. Woo! Mm. And then the second one, let's do the. Should we do the search page first or like the profile first? Hmm. 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 Let's do the search first. Okay. Do the search first. Yeah. Uh, this one. Let's delete all of the rest, and then rather than having this, we're going to have arrow, so it can go back. This one, we just have to delete this one. All right, and then we have the rectangle. Let's have the rectangle on here. Make a rectangle on here. Let's do 240, 240. And then let's stroke, if it's stroke, 222831. Erase this one, and then I'm going to give it a little border, make it more beautiful. Let's give it 10. All right, 10 is too much. 7, 7, 7. Then we're going to have the icon. And we're going to have a circle. So this is like the filter. So let's make it like 40 times, like 35 times 35. And let's make it red full. And we can use this one, the symbol. Make it group. You guys like it? Yep, looks pretty amazing to me. Let's look at this first. Search page. Hmm. Yeah, looks pretty fine to me. Let's do this one. browser. It's going to be on the outside of it. Let's do 80 first. Then make it there's a stroke on there. Erase the fill. Then 222 as usual, and create run full. And we have X icon in here. You guys can one. Do this 10 from here. Let's do 10 and click remove. It's too big. It's too regular. And 12. And give it to 81. We auto frame in here. Oh, we don't have to auto frame this one. Okay, it looks more. It looks better. Let's group this one. And yep, let's just copy paste it. One. Oh, let's give it 2% here. Okay, and then let's do back and 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Let's do it. Right, another one is the wage. Put $50, 100K. And let's make 15 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll make it another. I have to click on that first. And probably like, let's give it like full stack. Full stack. All right, should be done. Let's do auto frame for all of this. Give it a little nice touch. Wait. Oh, okay. The frame is in here, that's why. It's a mistake. I'm gonna put this in the search page, and then we're going to ungroup this first, and then read all over again. Mm. Can do 30. Oh, sorry, 15. But let's do padding 30. All right. Woo. This is too much. 20. Okay, and then let's do this first. Create a rectangle. Make it auto frame. Give it 20 for the bottom. And for the top, give it 0. Then let's give it 30 from left to right. 30 and 30. All right, nice. Let's give it a little bit color. With like a blue one. Then we just have to give it a little bit of rounded. Here, like here. This, and then we just have to copy paste this one. Then let's do like this. Salary per year. Per year. Let's give it 20. And let's make the question a little bit this. And give it 22831. Then we're going to have this one to be in here. But instead of per month, let's do per year. 200 to 300K. Make it bold. 22831. Make it bold. Not bold, but let's make it medium. How's that? Right, looks good. Give it a bold one. Let's see it first. Man, bold one is fine. Yeah, bold one is fine. Let's get auto frame. Let's duplicate this kind of stuff. 30, and this one's gonna be 30 as well. Applicant. And I will give this an icon first. An icon in here. Then give it a text 11523, but with 222831 with bold. Make it up. This, make it this, and change the position. And make it like this one. Right. How do you guys like it, huh? Looks pretty good to me. And then we're just going to copy paste this one. My God, sometimes it would be like that. It's kind of annoying, but it's okay. Put it inside the group. Why can I? Right, it's like group. Erase this thing. Make it a little bit smaller, like probably like 50. Oh, not 50. Make the height smaller, maybe 20. And give this one 11. Oh shit, I have to charge. Hmm, make it a little bit more. Just 35, it's fine. 20, and then set this as medium. Uh, then medium. Like this one. All right, looks pretty good to me. Let's do this front end, and let's give it another, which is full stack. Full stack. All right. Let's give this all a fill with probably like white. Or not this one will like the rectangle. Not the stroke, come on. White. Okay. And for this part, maybe you can cut. Okay. Looks nice to me. And give it another one. Another one. Don't make it 20, make it a lot larger. Make it 40 probably. And go to the top. All right. And I want to subtract this one to create a circle, but I forget how to do it. Um, oh, subtract selection. Or probably like this. Oh, I understand. Yeah, yeah. Just get this 40 to 40. 40 to 40. Then create a circle. Yeah. And then make it inside it. This. Put it on the top. Put it like here probably. And subtract. Oh, not like this. Then we're going to use right. No, we can do it. Oh my god, how? Wait. Let's just Google it. Factor more object. Okay. Wait, what? Uh, dude, I say subtract, but minion. Oh, finally. Yes. After this, let's create a circle in here. Let's create a 30 circle. And put it in here. Nice. And give it arrow. Also give it some arrow, give it some color to it. Maybe like green, maybe like yellow color that we have in here. Let's see. It's pretty good to me. Or maybe we can change this one to 25, 25. Right, looks better, right? Paste this, and we're going to duplicate it. Then it's almost the same. Let's undo this first, and we're going to just copy paste all of it. Okay, and then set it as a senior front end developer and set it as rather than the time, I just put the company Apple Incorporated. Amazon Inc. For salary we have 235 to 450 probably. Then for this one, say to 860. Yeah, and let's change the color. Right, then this one probably like just to Facebook. You guys can download it, but I already have it, so I'm going to copy paste it right away. Senior, what else do we have? Business consultant, yeah. Let's say Facebook. Let's see it all. Say Calgary. 760. Then don't forget to change the color to be green. All right, looks nice, pretty colorful as well. And make it frame. Hey, show add fill first, and then make it. Then I'm going to give this create frame for this one. Create frame. For selection, I'm going to put this into here, and then I'm going to set it as vertical. We have frame for this one as well, and then horizontal, make it like here. That's right. Okay, it's already working. Okay, working perfectly. But the thing is, we're going to have this one fill. Fill as well. All right. Woo! We did it, guys. This is going to be the search page. Search page is done. I'm going to fix this first. And all right, next one. We're going to make the profile page. Let's make the profile page to be simple. Let's do like this one. Rather than have skip, I'm going to have setting. But we cannot use auto frame for this one, so use ungroup. Let's do, it's going to be 880, and we just have to follow it. All right. Then we're going to have the profile picture. We're going to make this pretty big. Let's say 100 to 100. Yeah. And go. All right. We get on the center. Page. And let's just say Kevin Sugan with the title is Senior UI UX Designer. Let's make it a small one. Do bold, and this one to be 20, I guess. And this one is gonna be bold, but it's gonna be like 16. Not bold, let's do medium. And for both of them. Alright, should be like this. Give it like a 10-point margin and make it on the center as well. Alright, looks good. Then we have complete your profile section. Give it 30. Let's make a rectangle first. Oh, this is too small. Create 120 to 130, probably. Let's, alright, give it a little bit of 10. No, 12 probably. Let's do 15. That's 1, 2. Right. Three is perfect. And let's give some icon to it. Let's make it this one to be in the center. Give it a margin of 20. Then set your profile fields. And maybe it is in the bottom. Right? Make it a little bit more smaller. Give it regular. And then give it as a group first. Then change the icon. Upload your resume. Alright. Then this one's gonna be write your resume, but give it different icon. Alrighty, alright. Give it auto frame. Then we give it auto frame selection as well. Give it rolling, and then on the left, give it a little bit of padding. Give it like 30 something. Woo! Okay, and then we're going to have a little more in here for help and feedback and logout. Help and feedback and logout, give it 10. 10 is fine for me. Then give the icon here. Give it 60 height. And then give it help and feedback. Help and feedback. Okay, give it this 222831. Make it pressed in there. And give it another arrow. It's good. And this time it's for logout. Just having here as a logout. Oh, change the name to logout. And but the thing is it's too bland. Let's give it some color. Blue. It's going to be purple. It's going to be green. And this one's going to be yellow. Let's look at it. It's not working there. But this one looks good. Yeah. Maybe like this one can be a little bit. And well, give it 20 probably. Yeah, 20 is enough. Oh, it should be horizontal. Okay. All right, nice. Looks nice. So we've got the home page, search page, profile page, intro page, and everything. So what's left? Oh, about the job description, maybe we can have the job description. Ready? Yeah, we can do that. Yeah. Let's name it as information page. Information page. Mm, okay, we were going to do it like this. It's pretty good. All right, we just have to delete. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to delete this and use this one. And rather than have a text box in here, I'm going to have a text like Apple computer, probably. For Apple computer. Ink. What's that? Uh, computer.ink. I'm going to erase all of this first. We're having this. I'm going to change this into 22831. Yeah, sorry. 22831. And let's give it a text. Apply now. Give it a little bold and 20. No, 24 is fine. All right. This is too big. Let's make it 20 most. I'll give it nice color. And maybe we can change 959. All right. Make it 50. No, 60 is better. Because we're going to override this as well. I'm going to have square. Let's make it 100 and 100. Let's make it 100 and 100. And do you guys prefer to be square or like circle? Circle is fine. Yeah, let's do circle. Do circle. Going to add stroke of 222,831. Going to add this. I'm going to make this at 2. I'm going to put it on there. Maybe make it 90. 100. No, make it 80. And let's use logo Apple for here. Make a group asset and then on the center. Right, nice, looking nice for me. 831, 831. Let's see it first. Yeah, let's looks fine for me, but yeah, we'll take a look. We'll take a look at it later. Let's do senior front end developer. We give it a little bit spacing, like 5 probably, or 5%. Make it a center. And give it 20. Just 20 is fine for me. Then create in here. Apple Where's the dot symbol? Cupertino, staff. Uh, oh, this is my dream job, guys. To be able to work for Apple, design and develop for them. I really love Apple, even though they are crazy expensive. But if you think about it, they are really worth it, you know? Because like all the security issues that they really hold for their principle, I really respect that out of them. Staff, let's do 270 and 70. 70 and 70, make it round full, and get the fill at the stroke, give it to 831. Give it 30, and then going to duplicate three of them and make it auto. Then I'm going to add the symbol in here. Symbol in here, then we have another symbol, which is the time one. Okay, make it as a group so they can be grouped together. Don't forget to center it. All right, and the last one is the couch, which is our position in here, and we make it as a couch, so would be pretty funny for the user. And yeah, all right, so all right, looks good. Give it 30, 30, all right. Then this is for salary part, salary part. And we have the job type as well, job type. Then we have the position. And we have the salary as well. Make this a little bit smaller, not 16. Let's make it like 13, like 13 something. Yes, 45K. Make this as a full time. Oh, and position as a senior. Make it like 5. Make it bold. It like 15, but bold. Damn. Then we have the description. Description part. Make it 30. Then we have all the description here. Dot uh let's make this out of frame. Keep this in here. Let's make it here. Let's give padding to 30. And for this one, let's make it fill container. Not this one. Fill container. Make it on the left side of it. And where's the dot? And dot. Make it this one and give it right. Let's copy paste all of this. Let's try to see. Oh my god, it looks perfect. Oh my god. Looks really good. Okay, after the information page, what do we have? Oh, this one. Filter. If we tap this one, there's going to be a filter, right? Okay, set it to this one. Let's create another one. Let's call it as a filter page. Should be the same as like this one, just and rather than Apple computer, let's say filter. Filter to 20 from the top. Let's see. Okay, 70 is nice. Just give it a little bit more size. Bold or not bold, like medium one, but give it a little bit like this. Right, done. So for the filter, usually people have categories of category location and everything. Let's make it. Goodness, frame. Make it 40 and 40. Oh no, not 40. Let's make it 30. 30. Let's make it 10. Category. Make this one a little bit bigger. But then add the username and probably add a Dropbox. I will just copy paste it from mine. Right, let's put category in here. Nice. I'm going to copy paste all of this. It's written. Then let's give it 30. Up category. We have location. Then we have range of salary. And the last one we have the job type. But rather than having it as like rather than Dropbox, let's make it like a rectangle, like a list, so the user will be easier for them to pick. Um, so now let's make it auto frame. Okay, we have another one, and let's make it auto frame. Right. Oh, what can I do this shit? It's so hard. This one could be hook, a content. Then we're going to make it as auto and give it constraint for like 30. Then rather than off this full time, it's going to be part time, and this is going to be remote. All right, let's see. It's pretty fine to me. Okay, the last one that we have is the succeed one, the success page. Success page is really easy. Let's create success page. Success page. We have to delete all of this. And the only thing it should be like this. Just copy paste all this. I have the illustration as well. Just going to copy paste it in here. Give it 120. Yeah, 120 is fine. And success. Oh, not the caps lock. Success. Give it more, probably like 40. Success. Congratulations. You successfully apply a job. We wish you a merry no, no, we wish you a good luck. then just to call it 3, but make it more 24. Make it like full, not make it like medium. Then we're continue this back to main, but we want the black one. And all right, let's see. All right, we did it, guys. Woo! So I'm going to review this. So first of all, we have the opening page, and this is just like a simple type, like this one, just like one text in the center of the page, jobs.io, and then we have a sign up page. So the user going to sign up with their username and password, and then going to click this. They're going to click continue, and it goes to the info page. And for info page, tell us what kind of jobs are you looking for. So the user are going to pick which one is their preference. They want to be accounting, they are education teacher, accounting, to be an engineer and everything. And then after this, after they click continue, they're going to have intro page, 3 of them, like 1, 2, 3. Then after they click continue, it's going to go straight to the home page. Like this. And there's like navbar here, 3 of them, the home, search, and the profile page. They go to search page, going to here, and they're going to profile. It goes to here, and then we have the information page. So if they click this one, it's going to here. There's also a filter in here. The filter is like this one, and yeah, that's about it. I think that's about it. Probably rather than filter, we're going to use this as like, we're going to change this as a setting. Yeah, settings better. Okay, that's it. Whew. It's pretty long tutorial, huh? For 2.5 hours. So honestly, design is, it's a game of patience, you know. You just have to be creative with it. But it's not like developer. I feel like developers like kind of bit like monotone. But this design, you can be creative with your mind, and there's a lot of inspiration you can get from like Dribble website. Yeah. And yeah, as I say to you guys, this is not that simple. It's pretty hard, but I feel like this is manageable. As long as you guys look at my tutorial, you guys can do it. Um, sorry if sometimes I speak a little bit too fast, or like it's not clear for you guys. Just try to rewind the video, or like pause it for a second to really understand like what's going on. So there's a lot of things that you guys have to understand first before you go into this tutorial, such as like auto frame, component, subtraction, and everything. But this is it. This is the job search application. Yeah, it's not that bad. It's pretty good. And yeah, I hope you guys can learn so much from this tutorial. And yeah, I'm feeling happy right now. Hope you guys had a great day, okay? See you guys later. Bye bye. Thank you so much.